please give a warm round of applause, first of all, to Miss Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo.
And Miss Marian Rivera Hernandez.
Mga Magnolia Mommies, welcome to the stage.
Hello, Magnolia Mommies. Good evening, hello. Wow.
Marian, Juday, thank you so much for joining us. Marian, wala ka dance number na yun. Ano dance number for you today?
Depende kung sasabihin ako ni ate.
Wow! Okay.
So that's may sirang gabi po, pamagsabi ko sila.
Magandang gabi. Thank you so much for, gracing our wonderful milestone celebration as Magnolia Mommies. And kita naman natin, really super inspiring talaga the way you lead your lives as leading ladies, not just on screen, but pati sa bahay, di ba?
Oo, masaya si Ryan at si Gong dyan sa mga Magnolia Mommies na to. Now, I want to start with my first question. I want to share one very nice story about Juday. Before I got married, I had a little small pamanikan in my house. And you know who volunteered to help with the food and cater the food in my house? Was Juday. So imagine everybody was so floored that si Juday actually was the person
First catering business.
first catering job.
Oo, kami balik na ako yung nati-cater kay Ninang Maria.
So for me, that was a very important Juday memory that never stuck in my head. But I'm sure people also have here, the mommies here, have a very important Magnolia memory that is parang mga core memory na ninyo bilang nanay at bilang isang bata, di ba? So I just want to ask Juday, Marian, ano pinaka-memorable, most memorable Magnolia incident in your life or memory in your life?
Yes, napakarami. Napakarami. Kasi lalo ako lumaki akong antipolo. At that time, Magnolia products na talagang hahabulin mo. But when the day came na talaga, they could deliver already, special occasions, kasi syempre hindi naman kami, my dad was out of the country, so talaga nag-iipon kami for a Magnolia product. And I remember, there was a point na niregalo pa siya sa akin. Kasi nga, hindi kami makahanap and we have naka-budget kami and all. So my friends pulled in their money to give me like my favorite Magnolia product. So it was something na talagang paglaki ko, mag-iipon ako ng Magnolia product.
Parang naging inspirational product siya. Wow.
Wow, what a beautiful story. Martin, ikaw naman, ano yung Magnolia memory mo?
Wala ko laking lola kasi ako eh. Ang rule kasi ng lola ko, kapag papasok ako sa school, hindi ako mag-aalmusal.
Yes.
So kailangan talaga kakain ka bago pumunta sa school. At hindi mo mawala talaga ang cheesy sa akin.
Yeah.
Favorite ko yan. At napasa ko sa anak ko yan. So anak ko every morning, hinahanap yan. Pero syempre yung mga breakfast pa rin. Pero iba pa rin na pinapapak din itong cheesy na ito.
Wow. Cheesy from one generation to the next generation.
Yes! Parang lahat naman tayo favorite din ng cheesy. Parang alam mo yun? Parang hindi na yung favorite sa keso. Alam mo yun?
Very keso, ang ating keso couture. Keso couture, o diba? But my next question for the both of you naman is, nag-iba ba ang pagtingin nyo when it comes to food and preparing for your families now na mommies na nga kayo? Kamusta yung transition na yun? Especially nung, diba, first few moments na talagang na-feel yung, oh my gosh, pamilya na ngayon ang, I'm preparing for a whole family this time, diba?
Well, sa akin kasi, since I really love cooking, when nag-decide na kami ni Rai to create a family, Roblox.
Parang recipe ba? Create a family?
Parang isang click lang, no?
Oo, diba? May pamilya na kanila. Talaga naging mindful ako. And ngayon, na nagiging pagbuo namin ng memories is, I include the kids with me when preparing their baon, especially, of course, with Lucio. Pagka may football game siya, I love making food for everyone. Mahilig kasi akong gumawa ng maraming pagkain. Doon ako nasanay na magluto ng catering talaga. So, malaking factor yung I would always have Magnolia mayo at home. Kasi it's easy to whip up like a salad, a macaroni, or any sandwich spread that I could come up with. It is something na idadalhin ko pa yan sa ibang bansa. Kasi pag nag-tournament si Lucio abroad, kailangan meron akong kasangga na hindi ko naman alam masyado kung ano yung makukuha ko sa grocery. But just to be sure na magiging confident at magkampante yung puso ko na I'd be able to come up with something with Magnolia. Naka-impake siya sa akin. Naka-impake talaga siya.
Yan ang go-to secret
Yes.
weapons. Ito yung evidence. Ayun.
Ang sarap kaya ng magnolia mayo sa pizza.
Yes.
Pritong isda.
Ah,
Alam mo
talaga?
ba? Yes. Dapat try mo. Napakasarap.
Nagpapashare na yung menu dyan sa Magnolia website sa Facebook
Pritong
page.
galunggong lang at mismo magnolia mayo. Ay, tutumbay
Ayan.
ko kanin talaga.
Jun, kami bagong ad ka na sa TVC
Super sarap. Nag-endorse talaga.
Oo, I love it. Okay, and how about you naman?
Well, dun sa question kung mapili, may mga pagkakataon na kailangan talagang maging mapili ka. Kasi bilang nanay, gusto natin ibinibigay natin sa pamilya natin yung alam nating sigurado, masustansya at the same time, alam nating magugustuhan at masarap. So siguro ngayon, bilang yung mga anak ko is 9 and 6 years old, not more on mapili, siguro more on naging creative ka sa pag-present sa kanila ng pagkain. Kasi ngayon, kung magaling nakikita nila yung presentation mo, mas gaganahan sila, lalo na kung matitikman nila. Kasi hilig namin apat talaga ang kumain. Siyempre, lahat.
Tayo lahat naman.
Sama niyo na kami dyan.
A very interesting question. So we're celebrating 100 years of
Yes.
Magnolia. And it's made our lives as consumers more meaningful. Para sa inyo naman, what is your message to people listening here right now? It's not just us here in the room, but mga Magnolia consumers, people who've been enjoying Magnolia for many years, how can they make their lives more meaningful with Magnolia?
Well, first of all, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa mga boss namin. Thank you. Thank you for inviting us to be part of the Magnolia family. It is such an honor na mapabilang po kami sa milestone na ito ng Magnolia. 100 years is not a joke. And to be able to be part of a wonderful family. Thank you so much. And to all the consumers and distributors here, tama po kayo ng partner. Walang iwanan ito. So congratulations to each and everyone. Bawal po tayo mag-iwanan.
Mark, ikaw naman special message po to our friends here in Magnolia.
Actually, bago na sabihin yung message, kanina napanood ko yung mga family na may flashback sila sa mga nangyari sa buhay nila. Parang naisip ko na grabe yung nagawa ng Magnolia sa buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Na may kanya-kanya tayong kwento na represent yung kabataan natin, para sa pamilya natin, at ngayon sa future. Alam mo yung parang nakakataba ng puso at nakaka-proud na maging parte niyo po ngayong gabi na ito. So, a message, alam ko mas ng pamilyang matatouch ang buhay at maraming kwentong Magnolia ang magbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat isa.
Maraming salamat kayo yung maging bagong kwento ng Magnolia ng ating mga pamilya. Maraming salamat, Juday. Marian!
Thank you so much. Magnolia Mommies really for showing us what it means to live out Magnolia's promise of countless moments and, endless goodness.